Useful tips for a fun-filled family camping experience. Taking the time to really research camping can ensure you have a successful trip outdoors. There is a bit more to this form of recreation than taking a tent and starting a fire. This video will give you a good deal of information that you can take with you on your next trip. Bring a large trash bag for dirty laundry, and keep it in a central location, suitable for everyone in your party. Let them pack their clothing individually, as this makes it much easier to find than if you pile it all in a community storage box or bag. Toss in a dryer sheet to any bag you want smelling fresh. When it comes to food, bring only what you need on a camping trip. Extra food out in the wilderness is a calling card for wild animals to come visiting your campground. If you do find that you have additional food, tie it up in cloth and hang it as high as you can in a tree away from your immediate campground. This will help keep you from unwanted animal introductions. Pack a few shovels if there are children with you on your trip. Kids love nothing better than digging in the dirt, and having the right accessories is crucial. If you have room, bring a bucket too. The children will happily entertain themselves in the dirt while you unpack, set up camp and do everything that you need to do. A major mistake that campers make is they will get lost on occasion. Do not let this happen to you. If you are unfamiliar with the area you are camping in, or if you are in a wilderness area, do not stray too far from your campsite. A portable GPS is an excellent investment if you are planning any kind of wilderness camping adventure. As you can see, there are plenty of things you need to remember for your next camping trip. Many things will play a factor in your safety and the overall enjoyment of the experience. Use what you have read from this video, and you will have a better camping experience next time you go outdoors. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.